McKinney had his own unique journey into the truffle space. He grew up in a broken home in Georgia, became a chef, and eventually scrapped his way into one of the most prestigious restaurants in the world, the 3 Michelin-starred French Laundry in California. He spent 4 years there.
So the French Laundry probably uses the largest amount of truffles out of any restaurant in the U.S. It really is just an incredible ingredient. You know, when it was white truffle season, you would smell it through the whole restaurant.
Eventually, McKinney started a side hustle with a friend, selling truffles to restaurants. And it very quickly became a gainful enterprise.
In the first 90 days, we made $100,000, which, you know, to put it in perspective, I mean, I made $12 an hour as a chef. And then the next year, we made $500,000. Let's say it's the black truffles. We're buying them for $300 a pound. The going rate in the restaurants is $700 a pound. And so the first thing you do is you go in and you tell the hostess or the host that you have a meeting with the chef, which you don't. And then the chef comes out and he's mad. But then you say, "Chef, I have some truffles you would like to see." And then he's less mad, but still mad. The chef always wants to see them, right? We would show up to restaurants in the middle of service, midnight, you name it, we were there.